Up early this morning and I'm back at Uluwatu going for a surf. Swells dropped off a little bit. Gonna go down the back to Secrets, but this is the front entry to Uluwatu. It's a bit dirty because I party here all night. So glassy. Wow. Looks fun. I'm gonna go down. Had my session in the morning, had a few fun, couple little waves. The tide's coming back. Check out this tide. That's it, I'm going back home, going to Marya, and we're going to Ubud today. So today we're going to Ubud and I'm just come back for a surf. Let's see what Marya's doing, if she's getting ready to go to Ubud. Marya! Oh, there's Marya! Hey Marya, how are you, darling? Are you ready to go to Ubud? What have you been doing?
I've been waiting for you.
Okay, I'm hungry. Any smoothies ready?
In 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes? Wow! Marya makes amazing dragon fruit banana and mango smoothies. She makes really good ones. Okay, so now I'm gonna trim my beard because it's getting a bit wild. It's getting a bit crazy. Got my clippers. Here I'm trimming the beard. And Marya's coming for the beard trimming.
For a good inspection.
Say hello, Marya. Marya wants to hold the camera. Got the number 4. Just gonna... That's the beard trimmed a little bit. Now I've got to do the moustache. The moustache is very important for me. I just gotta trim it with the scissors. That's it, the beard's all ready and trimmed. All ready for Ubud. Looking nice. So we're just about to go to Ubud. And we've ordered an online taxi here in Bali. They have two popular online taxis, Gojek and Grab. We've just ordered a Gojek to Ubud and I think he's waiting for us. Online taxis are at least half price, maybe even 3 times cheaper. But here we go. I think that's him. That's him. Yeah, he's waving. Our online taxi.
Hiking, yeah?
Oh, hiking! Yes, hiking. So this is the taxi. The Gojek taxi. Bagus. Kamu kabar?
Good.
Okay, so we just entered the bird park and I'm very excited because Marya absolutely loves birds. She adores birds. Marya, you tell them your feelings. How do you feel to be at the bird park?
Ask me where after. Oh, there's already Macau! Yay! Well, I'll tell you later after we
Are you
finish.
excited?
I'm excited. Oh, look at this!
Oh, wow.
Oh my! Hey, kitty.
And he doesn't fly away.
I guess he doesn't.
Hello.
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 Oh, sweetheart.
Hello.
Oh.
Here we have the red macaw. Is it a red macaw, Marya?
Yes, that's it. Oh, that's
Look at the red macaw.
one who's sleeping. Oh, such a beautiful.
He looks a bit old. Do you think he looks old, Marya? What do you think of these birds, Marya? Cocky, look at the cocky.
Aspetta, che te l'altro hai un pezzo? E après, metto il video telefono en même temps. Eclectus parrot.
A what?
Eclectus
A
parrot.
Clectus parrot. This is a Clectus parrot. Wow, look at this Clectus parrot. Look how beautiful these little ones are, Marya. You said these are called Clectus parrot.
Yeah, eclectus.
Aren't they beautiful? Very tropical looking. This is Marya's favorite parrot, the African grey parrot. She has this one at home. She has this one at home.
Mula. Давай, дай.
Okay, we're gonna hold these parrots now. Can we hold them next? Yes. Oh, thank you. The blue one. I want the blue one.
Blue one?
Oh, my good buddy.
Side.
My good bird.
You can kiss closer with
I can
your
kiss. Are you sure he won't bite me? Okay.
nose. Just closer. More close.
Mwah.
Good.
Ooh.
Oh
I'm
my, he's so.
Mwah.
Yes.
What is his name?
Rooney.
Rooney.
Yes. And this one Divo.
Divo and Rooney.
Can we have a picture?
Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah. There's a big black button.
It looks like a hawk.
Yeah. That's a very tall.
This is Pesquit parrot.
One? Pesquit parrot.
Yeah.
Oh, Pesquit parrot. Very interesting. Tropical. It's tropical
From
bird.
Papua.
Papua.
Papua New Guinea. Yeah.
Oh, Papua New Guinea parrot. Pesquit parrot.
Wow, I read about
Very good.
it. Camera shy.
Marya really loves the African grey parrots.
He was laughing here with me, but before the camera was on.
He looks very gladky, doesn't he? Like very...
They're very helpful.
Yeah. Well, they love it here. They live here. All the birds were born here and they don't fly away because they were born here and they see this as home. This is their home and they won't fly away into the jungle. Marya's very happy. Look at this peacock. Wow. This is a super strange looking bird. Marya said it looks like a 90-year-old man.
So strange.
Now we're going to Papua New Guinea. Look at that, dude. Let's go to Papua New Guinea. Wow, this is what Papua New Guinea looks like. Who's in Papua New Guinea? Some really weird dude. He's gonna feed this bird now. Oh!
Take photo?
That's okay.
I think it's okay. Oh my goodness. What is it? The juice or just
Soya.
water? Oh, okay. They ate everything in just 3 seconds. Oh. Come. Hello. Beautiful.
These beautiful mangoes. The mango, it's a full mango tree.
Whoa.
Soon is going to be mango season. Well, it already is. We buy mango.
Hey. What? Such a unique color.
He's following me. Because it's a stick, he's afraid.
He just climbed. She just climbed on my.
Really?
Yes. I just came when she gave me a paw.
Really?
Oh, so cute.
He dropped something.
Look at. So all the cows have same physical characteristics. They have broad head, slim body, long tail, and also fantastic color plumage. In wild,
just
these
doing laps.
species can live up to 80 years. But they're still young.
Oh, did I?
Ini tidak Bali, khususnya di Taman Nasional Bali Barat. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
You hear that? Oh.
Did she speak?
Yeah, it's him. Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
Give me a kiss. Hey. No. 2. Scratch, scratch. No. Don't eat my eye. No. So beautiful.
Only the red ones, the girl ones, go to you.
Girls are coming, are more open. She's chewing. Hello, you want to come too? Yes? Yes? Sorry, I don't have anything for you. Yes?
How was the bird park?
I'm overwhelmed with this feeling. So good, so beautiful, and all these birds, they are amazing. And many of them, you can interact with them, they climb on you, it's amazing. I'm really happy. You should come here.